Hello everybody, this is Technicya with another quick tutorial. Some USB input devices automatically disable the touchpad when connected. As a troubleshooting step, turn off the computer, disconnect all external devices, then restart the computer again to ensure one of them has not turned off the touchpad. If this does not work, try this method. Hit on the Windows logo button on keyboard, type touchpad. Hit on touchpad setting by pressing enter key. Now use tab key to navigate to touchpad on off button. Hit spacebar to enable it. That's it. My touchpad is working now. If you like this video, please thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe Technicya. I will catch you in next video. Bye bye.